Alright, go ahead and take this off. This is a another one of my, whatever you want to call it, rotten stump projects. This is going to be a base. This is what I should have started with. Same piece of cardboard. It's getting better. Break it loose. It's tight. This is kind of what I wanted to do before, and I didn't do it. Let's see what happens. Yeah, there we go. Right there in front. Some that right now. I'll have to break it out more better. I want more of that out. I don't like it. So I got all the tools I want. And I don't get to, there we go. I don't have to. Still green. Yeah. Alright. What I want is that effect right there. This is a cement mixed with rocks, stone, and fiber in it. I've never used it before. Using the new mixer. Anyway, make a pedestal. I'm gonna smooth that off. I do believe in protecting your fingers and your face and all that, your eyes. You got a shield. And I got safety glasses on right now, but I'm just gonna show you while it's green. Now this is not what I want. I wanted a real electric one. This ain't got enough power, but it'll work. Still green as crap, because it's cold weather here. If you can smooth it out, shape it. Let it cure some more. Even after a couple of days, you can come back and do some more. Don't like that spot. Yeah, it's wet as crap. Timing's not right for a lot of things. But anyway, just wanted to show you. Thanks for looking. That's going to be a stand for my next Japanese lantern. Okay, I cleaned it up a little bit. And you can see the wood grains. That's what I was going for. As I pulled the wood off, it left texture. Anyway, this is going to be a base. And now I got to come up. I want to do a flat piece right here. Maybe a thick, flat piece. I don't know. I want to do some MacGyvering. Maybe a movie boy can give me some advice. Shelly, anybody. All you smart people. I know you out there. See you guys. Okay, I think I'm done engineering today. There's the rotten stump. Or all this plastic. My idea is, I had all this blocks of wood and plastic and stuff like that. I need to make me a temporary mold right here to make a flat piece. It's going to be about 4 inches thick, maybe. I don't know how big, square, round, rectangle, or whatever. But sorry if I'm moving too fast. But you can see what I did. Covered a stump up, or a pedestal, with plastic. And I went and stacked blocks and wood and material. Alright, so that gives me a good foundation. I just hope all this holds up the weight. I'll put this back on here. Yep. Smooth out over the rough ridges and stuff. Like I said, I want it to lock in like a puzzle too. Alright, any suggestions, I'm willing to hear any of you. guys. I know a lot of people, and message me. Tell me what you think. Love you. See you guys.